Congratulations, Team JSW Hoopers with 90 points versus Team Dixie Burger Market Avenue. And let's congratulate Jansen on Tabon for being our best player for second game. We all know na it's a nice fight between the Dixie Burger. How you manage na maging best player and nakita natin kung gaano lakas yung pressure para manalo sa game ngayon.
Binigay lang po yung best namin and nagtiwala lang po sa teammates namin. Nagtulong-tulong po sa dependa para po natin yung panalo. And thank you po kay Kati na po pinalakas para manalo po sa natin.
Okay, thank you for your answer. And ano masasabi mo, anong ginawa mo pagpa-practice para maging best player and manalo yung game para sa second game ngayon?
Matulog-tulog na. Nagtatanong sa mga teammates ko. Mga taga-kainit and sa tanin nyo. Thank you po.
Okay, thank you for that and congratulations, Jackson. Shout out now.
Shout out sa girlfriend ko. Para sa ito. Nanonood. Inisgas ko.
Yun yung shout out daw and naging inspiration ka daw niya para maging best player and manalo for today's game. Okay, congratulations, Jackson. Congratulations, Team JSW Hoopers. And also congratulations to Team Dixie Burger Market Avenue. Coming soon, MSB 1Day Basketball League Season 2 for our exclusive for MSB Papawis Ballers. Thank you, MSB. And for our next schedule next week. Thank you again and thank you sa JSW from Parañaque City. Back to you, MSB.
Productions.